Hello, my name is Babanpreet Kaur. I am a student of Melbourne Institute of Technology. My student ID is MIT183659. Today I am here to give a presentation on overview of internet networking on topic important network security tools. So here I am going to discuss about it. Firstly, here is my student ID and my name. Content. First of all, I will discuss here about the introduction of the network security tools that are NASes and SNOT, and after this I will discuss the difference between the NASes and SNOT, and there is a small case scenario about the JKL company, and for which I will discuss the requirement and the security threats that are faced or required by the JKL company, and also the important tools for the JKL. At the last, I will conclude my whole presentation. Firstly, introduction and purpose. In this assignment, we will discuss about the important security tools which is very helpful to secure our digital information and data. As today the cybercrime is increasing at alarming rate due to increase in the number of attackers on networks. So there is a need to exploit existing network vulnerabilities to upload and add more security features. So we have more than 15 security tools that are available in the market in the today modern era with their own functionalities that are used by pen testers to penetrate into system and a network to find hidden vulnerabilities and avoid attack. But the most commonly used tools are Metasploit, Hydra, NASes and SNOT. So today I will discuss about the NASes and SNOT, the security tool. NASes. It is a remote security scanning tool, and it is one of the best and capable vulnerability scanner particularly used for the Unix system. Moreover, it is an open source and free vulnerability scanner, as we can upload or from the internet without paying any cost, and also it is a signature based detection. Why NASes? So why we have to use a NASes as a security tool? There are many other security tools, so why should we have to prefer it only? So there are many advantages of NASes other than the other security tool. Firstly, unlike other scanner, NASes does not make assumptions about your server configuration. NASes is very extensible, and also it can detect any threat or attack from the system very easily, and it is a vulnerability assessment, penetration testing it used, and make us aware about the security. Moreover, it provides up-to-date information about new vulnerabilities and attacks. As I told you, it is an open source, so we have to pay nothing. You are free to see and modify the source as you wish. The main NASes website is www.nases.org, from where we can download the NASes software. Secondly, now I am going to discuss about my another security tool that I have chosen is SNOT. SNOT is a very popular open source network intrusion detection system. It can be considered a packet sniffer, and it helps in monitoring network traffic in real time. SNOT can also be used to perform protocol analysis, content searching and matching, and it can be used to detect various types of attacks such as port scans, buffer overflows, etc. It is available on Windows, Linux, and various Unix as well as all major operating systems. A popular network public domain package available on www.snort organization. So from this website we can download the Snort security tool. It also allows the user to specify the set of rules which specify the pattern in the packets and corresponding action for matched packets. Moreover, Snort also allows the user to create their own plug-in for additional detection that is not available with default pattern matching. So there are some modes of Snort. One can configure Snort in the following three different modes. First, sniffer mode, packet logger mode, and then the last is network intrusion detection mode. So these are the three mainly modes which the Snort used. After this, I will discuss the difference between the Nessus and the Snort security tool. Nessus, it is a security scanning software, whereas Snort, it is an intrusion detection tool. It is an open source software, Nessus, whereas Snort is also open source, but it can be run on any operating system, whereas Nessus can only be operated in Unix operating system. Last, it is a remote security scanning tool, whereas a Snort use a simple scripting language. As there is a case scenario, so I will discuss the business requirement for the JKL, which is a small company. As per the requirement for JKL, you need a proper security tool so that you can detect the risk such as Nessus, Snort and Hydra. So for the JKL, it needs some of these security tools to protect their digital information and data from the various attackers. Security threat for the JKL company. In the JKL, there is a lot of data sending from one to each other on the daily basis. So there is a more probability to lose the data during the communication, such as phishing. And also the computer virus and computer worm can come on the system of the company. Tools for JKL that they have to use it, as JKL require highest level of security and confidentiality of their data and information. So they need the Snort tool, which is the intrusion detection tool. Snort job is to listen to your TCP IP network traffic and look for signature in the data flow. So according to me, for the JKL company, Snort tool is very beneficial. At the last, I will conclude that security tools are necessary to perform some action on the system on regular basis, such as customer databases, financial record, a company sales report, because of increase in number of crime due to exploitation of vulnerabilities in the system. Moreover, computer security attempts to ensure the confidentiality, integrity and availability of computing system and their components. So to secure our data from outside threats and attackers, we need to use security tools like Nessus and Snort, which protect our system from various bases. So this is my presentation, and I will discuss my important security tool which I think is very beneficial for the JKL company, that are Nessus and Snort, and for JKL, Snort security tool is very beneficial. Thank you.